Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionica. We are in a predicament. I have been buying so much shit. This is not good, but at least I can film a haul for you guys. A lot of this is actually thrifted. I think all of this is thrifted. Okay, yeah, all of this is thrifted. So at least I'm saving money there. Majority of these pieces that I got are designer or just like a little bit more luxe than normal. I don't know why. I think I'm in a phase. I did get them for really great prices though. The first piece that I thrifted were actually these earrings. They're by Missouri. They're 14 karat, who's Garrett? 14 karat gold hoop earrings. They're very minimal. They do have like a little tanzanite green stone on it, which I thought was really pretty. It was such an impulse buy because typically these are $120 and then I saw someone posted it on Poshmark for $60. So like I didn't even think about it. I was just like, buy. But then I always forget that Poshmark adds on like the delivery, which for some reason is always $7 no matter how light the package is. So I paid $7 shipping for this, and on top of that they add like all these additional fees, so it came out to like $75 or something. I still thought it was a great deal. I'm really obsessed with 14 karat gold jewelry, or just solid gold jewelry in general, because I'm super lazy and I don't like taking my pieces off when I go to the shower, when I work out, or when I sleep. So yeah, I won't take these off. Missouri is one of my favorite jewelry brands, so can't complain. Okay, moving on to the next item. So this next thing I thrifted, this is actually, I think, the first purchase that I made during stay-at-home order, and this is probably one of my favorite actually. This is a Chloe wallet. It's a vintage piece. I think it's a piece from like the early 2000s maybe, but it's the Marquee wallet. This is a super pricey wallet. I think they typically go for like $400. I found this on Poshmark for $30. By the way, this isn't sponsored. I am just like genuinely a customer because that's how I get my thrift fix. I did have to do some cleaning on it. I have like some leather cleanser. You know, I'm just one of those bag rehabbers now, apparently. Really love the color of it. It's just very striking. I typically would get like a black or a nude, but I decided, you know, for 30 bucks, sure, I'll get a striking wallet. And it has so many different slots. Like, as you can see, I don't put anything on this side. I don't even have that many cards. I literally put all my cards here. Oh, hey, peep the Costco card. You know where I get my gas. This is probably one of my favorites, but there's a lot more to show you, so let's keep going. So story time. I went on Marquee. It was my first time. I actually just downloaded the app that day, but I was on the hunt for a 14 karat gold bracelet because I'm really into stacking bracelets. And again, I wanted it to be solid gold. I found this bracelet on Marquee, and the seller, they said that this is 14 karat solid gold. It was $67, which, you know, that was actually a pretty good deal for 14 karat gold bracelet. Typically this would be, I don't know, maybe like $100. It's not like I'm saving a crazy ton, but it was enough for me to think, wow, this is legit because it's a good deal, but it's not like too cheap where it would be fishy. Anyways, the person was really nice and they were great with communication, so I didn't think anything sketchy of it. And then when I got it, I was like, wow, this is a great piece, but why is it like kind of cheap looking? I was still kind of questioning it, but I didn't want to like think that the seller was dishonest because I'm just so trusting, I guess. It says 14K engraved on the bracelet, and so I figured, okay, this has to be 14 karat. No, I was wrong. This is not. The reason I know is because I tested it with a magnet. Solid gold is not magnetic, and when I tested it, it instantly stuck to the magnet. So I was freaking out because Marquee doesn't really have a great refund policy. Basically, I had to fight on PayPal to get my money back, and it's funny because I sent this piece back to the seller because I just wanted to return it and get my money back. A week later, this shows up in my mailbox and it was like no return sender. So now I have this piece. I think that it just goes to show you, you need to be really careful with sellers. Make sure they have a good reputation, and don't be so trusting online. Next piece that I got is very exciting. Right when I saw this on Poshmark, I instantly hit that buy button. Prada heeled sandals. I've seen this trend going on for a while and I figured, why not? Just do it, because it was a pretty inexpensive pair of shoes and they were Prada. This is my favorite part of the shoe. You can see they have like the little Prada logo on the back. I thought that was such a cute touch. And now when I'm like stomping around town, you can see like the cute little extraness that I so desperately try to be. I don't know. It was $25, typically like a few hundred. Once we're able to go out again, I'm totally gonna wear this as my first pair of shoes. So this next piece, this is the one that actually kind of started my whole like bracelet leveling up and stacking. I got these two bracelets. These are actually so affordable. I got these off of Amazon, gold bead bracelets. I typically don't wear things that aren't solid gold, but you know, this is like a trend right now. I feel like I'm not gonna invest on a trend. Yeah, I just decided to go the cheap route and I got these on Amazon for I think like $14 for both of them, which is a really good deal because I mean, I'm seeing them for like $50 at other places because again, people are jumping on this beaded trend. If they're available, I will link it down below so that you guys can buy some. I posted it on my Instagram and I had a few people asking me where I got them. They're really like heavy. I don't know what material it is, but I've actually worn it in the shower because I'm lazy, so I should be taking it off, but they haven't rusted or anything, so that leads me to believe that it is a pretty good quality. The next item is actually right beside the stacking pieces. This one I was on a hunt for like the longest time. This little Figaro bracelet, that's what they're called. It is made of solid gold, so I can wear this one in the shower and, you know, go to sleep in it. And I actually haven't taken it off since I purchased it. I like how it looks stacked with my other bracelets. I thought it was really pretty. The only thing is it is a little bit long on my wrist, which is unfortunate, but I do have a really tiny wrist. But it's fine. It doesn't really bug me at all and it's not really noticeable. This one typically is around $150 and I got it for $70, so I thought it was a great deal. So I bought this ring and it's a fashion jewelry piece, by the way. So it's gold plated. I've been on the hunt for a marquee shaped ring. So marquee means this shape. This one kind of just came with it and I thought it was cool because you can connect them. I'm actually gonna resell it because as I was thinking like, oh wow, this is a great piece, I love it, I'm gonna wear the crap out of it, like, cause really look at how pretty it is. I realized I'll have to take it off when I wash my hands or else it's gonna rust. And I was immediately turned off with the fact that I would have to take it on and off. And so that's why I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna resell this and just buy a solid gold one that's similar. So that's what I did. Moving on to the next item. I ended up getting this Marquee solid gold diamond ring. As you can see though, this one, this freaking diamond or rhinestone is bigger, but it's a rhinestone. So yeah, I decided to just invest and get one that I wouldn't have to take on and off. Honestly, it was a really good decision to do that because I did a lot of research and I figured, why not? Like, if I think that it's gonna be a great addition, do it. Buy the jewelry. You're not really spending money on anything else right now except for rent, car payment, car insurance because you're not even driving, student loan. Anyways, this is becoming a tangent, but yeah, it was a nice little addition. I got this piece off of eBay actually. Yeah, and I got it off of an auction. I never like put bids in. Thankfully there was no bidding war, so I was like really the only bidder. So I got it for $90, which is an incredible steal for a real natural diamond and solid gold. So yeah, I think I got pretty lucky with that. Obviously I'm gonna save best for last for you guys. This was a total impulse buy. But I'm laughing because it's like, it's fine because it was such a good deal. Like, I couldn't pass it up. I saw this bag and I was like, wow, that's pretty inexpensive for this style because this style is very on trend. The reason that it was so low priced is because it is well loved, but I figured, you know what? It is a piece that I would totally use all the time. This is a Fendi Baguette Fur Bag, and the reason it is well loved is because right here and right here, like the white spots have wear, but I actually think that it blends really nicely, like it's supposed to go like on the bag. It looks like that's the style. So yeah, that's why I decided to get it. I really was so shocked when she accepted my offer. This was the whole haul. I'm not even gonna total up how much I've spent because it is way more than I should be spending. If you think about it, I haven't been eating out. I've just been staying at home. Treat yourself. So many different reasons why I can justify these purchases, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if you want to see more of these videos. I do have a lot of orders that are coming in this week, so stay tuned for another thrift haul video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Hugs and kisses. Bye.